John, what are you eating?
Okay.
You didn't eat anything.
Yeah. Okay.
John, look at Mommy.
Anything.
Are you telling me the truth?
That.
You didn't have any snacks?
Nope.
Let me see. You didn't have any snacks. Open wide, let me see. Really? You didn't have any snacks? John, come here. John, can you explain to me why the sprinkles are empty?
Well, they're not empty.
John, look at me.
They're not empty.
Did you eat those sprinkles?
No. I did not.
You know it's not nice to tell stories and to lie, right? Look at Mommy. You're not supposed to lie. Tell me now. Did you eat those sprinkles?
No. I did not eat sprinkles.
John, you have sprinkles on your face.
No. I did not eat sprinkles. Did not.